Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. In today's video, yes, I'm going to check out this Xiaomi Mi Band 3. But before I get into the video, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, in this video, I'm unbox and give you my first impressions and maybe even set up this Xiaomi Mi Band 3. I've been looking for a different type of fitness band, and Gearbest actually reached out to me and sent this to me for review. So shout out to Gearbest for sending this out. I will have the link in the description, so that way if you want to pick this up from Gearbest and get a great looking fitness band, but we're going to definitely put it to the test to see how good it actually is. Xiaomi makes some great phones, and I have been hearing nothing but great things about their fitness bands too. So this is the Mi Band 3. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it really quick, try to set it up and see exactly, you know, what it is, and go over some of the specs too. But nice little presentation. Bam. If you want to pause that and you know Chinese, you can definitely read that. But you have a little tab here. Nice little presentation. Let's get this bad boy out. Alright, so look at that. We're gonna punch this out too. So this is the band itself. So let's check out what else you get in there. So I guess you put the capsule into this. Let's see what else. Alright, so it looks like this is a charging cable. It's kind of weird, but you get the cable. Looks like you get some instructions too. Now the instructions are in Chinese, but that shouldn't be a problem. We can definitely get into this, but here's the meat of the whole band itself. Let's see, let's take this. Alright, so it tells you have to charge it. Bam, it says charge. I can't read Chinese, but I'm gonna guess that says charge. But let's go over the specs really quick. As you can tell, it is a 0.78 inch OLED display. The cool thing about this, it is water resistance up to 50 meters. So you can go swimming with it, you can take a shower. If you get caught running in the rain, no big deal. That's actually pretty cool. You don't have to worry about taking off, especially if you go swimming. Now, the battery life is supposed to be amazing. You're supposed to have 20 days of standby time. Is that true? We're definitely going to test that out too. But also, you can see your messages on here, notifications. You can't respond to them, but you can definitely see if you want to read your text messages. You can raise your wrist to wake you up. It actually has sleep monitoring on here. How accurate that is, I don't know, but we're definitely going to find that out too. And like I said, it does have long standby time, and then 24-hour heart rate monitors. So what I'm gonna do now is actually pause the video, go charge this up, get in, come back and show y'all the setup, and then also give you my first impressions, but I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so I was able to go ahead and charge the Mi Band 3. I'm gonna go over a couple things about it, and then we're gonna try to have it connected to my LG G7. But let's go over the holder of the band itself. I guess you can call it, I don't know whatever you want to call this thing, but bam, you got your little clip there, your holes. I mean, it fits my wrist pretty good, and that little band just sticks in there. We're going to get into that a little bit further, but here's the band itself. Yes, it's still in Chinese. Hopefully when I hook it up to the app, I can put it in English. But here's your heart rate monitor there, little Mi branding. This is where it plugs into the charger. I wish it had a different charging thing, maybe like a micro USB, but because if you lose this, then you have to buy a new one. But it just simply slides in there, and then you plug this into any charger that you have. So that's pretty simple. But let's try to link it up. First thing you need to do to link it up is actually download. Let's see, I think I did it, the Mi Fit app. So what I'm gonna do is sign up for account. I haven't signed up yet. Okay, once you set up your account, you can actually go ahead and pair up the device. Right there you can see it, no paired devices. So I'm gonna tap to pair it. Tells you which one do you have. Oh, look at that. It says that it found it. It's going to go through a couple updates. I probably won't let y'all watch all the updates, but, you know, it's going to go through a couple updates, so. Okay, everyone, so it went through a couple updates. It finally updated everything. Gives you a little bit of a guide to how to use this thing. Swipe up and down and switch between the steps and the heart rates. And then you can switch, swipe left or right to switch between the different items. You can tap the button to go back, backways. Long press the button to confirm something. Swipe to unlock it. So if you swipe up, bam, how to wear it. It tells you even where to wear it at. So let's see how this thing fits in this little band itself. Man, it's a nice little tight fit. And I guess you just pop it in there. And there you go. So let's check out this app a little bit more. Let's see if I can go back ways. It's 99% charge, I guess. Really haven't done any steps yet. No sleep data, no heart rate data. So this definitely, hey, it looks pretty nice. It's pretty simple. Look, it's not that big on my wrist. If I can get it around there. Bam, that's actually pretty good. So definitely, if you want to check this out, if you want to buy it, I will have the link in the description. You can pick it up from GearBest. Stay tuned to the channel, because I probably will come up with a follow-up video on this. Check out my Twitter at Forbes Reviews. I might drop some pictures on there too, and just give updates through Twitter. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.